Yep, yep. Kick it, just kick it. Somebody get taser. Get taser. Hey, we gotta go. Go now, go. Go. Hey, go. Open the fucking door. Kick the door. Taser down. Watch your hand. Come on. Taser.
And lastly, this still photo is of the suspect armed with the knife just after officers kicked in the bedroom door.
What did he mention about his sister?
He said he's gonna kick the door down and come in here.
Okay. What's that noise? What's going on?
Don't kill me. I see you right here.
What's going on, ma'am?
Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Yep. Kick it, just kick it. Somebody get taser. Hey, we gotta go. Go now, go. Go. Hey, open the fucking door. Kick the door. Taser down. Watch your hand. Come on. Taser.
And lastly, this still photo is of the suspect armed with the knife just after officers kicked in the